handsome man. And finally, meron tayong interviewin na lalaking modelo.
Hi everyone.
Your name?
I'm Brian.
Okay. So, how old are you, Brian?
I'm 26 po.
26. Okay. So, do you know your height and vital statistics?
My height is 5'7".
Oh,
Vital statistic is, nakalimutan ko, 34? Hindi, 30, something 32. 32, then 29, then 34.
Okay. Great build, huh? Okay. So, do you have manager or handler right now?
As of now, under Rain model, but not officially pa signed.
Okay. So, you don't have contract with them?
Yeah.
Okay. So, as a model, ano mapapayo mo or advice mo sa mga gustong mag-model?
Oh, I see. Just believe in yourself. Like, this industry is very chaotic. So, marami kang maririnig na hindi sakto sa kung anong ina-expect mo. Because not everyone is nasa standard ng modeling industry. But what we can say is, as long as you believe in yourself, like, you can prove na magaling ka on this field, that this one is for you, you are made for this, or born for this, then I guess you can like slay the modeling industry. Like, you can beat everyone as long as you're confident.
Yes, that's true, guys. And gano'n ka na katagal sa modeling industry?
Before I entered the modeling workshop with the MTV production, nag-XD lang ako with my friends, mga product nila, local products
So,
nila.
you were freelancing?
Yeah, pero walang bayad.
Okay.
Support
Ex-deal.
Support lang with friends. So, after nun, due to my frustration, because modeling is my dream, my frustration since I was in high school. So, this time, since capable na ako to enter or to know more about modeling, nag-enroll ako sa isang modeling workshop, which is the MTV production. So, basically like 10 months yung preparation to be well-trained and to know more about modeling industry. So, after nun, I had my first runway under Fashion Runway Manila. Happened last month, May. So, it's Fashion Runway Manila with Philippine Fashion Lara at San Agustin, Mosaic.
How was your experience being a model?
Oh, nakakapagod. Yeah, actually, behind the scene, sobrang nakakapagod siya. Kasi sa runway, since kailangan ko magpalit ng 5 beses,
Yes. Tapos kailangan mabilis pa.
mabilis, then mahahaggard ka.
Yeah.
So, kailangan mabilis yung pacing mo pagdating sa pagpapalit ng damit mo. So, sobrang nakakapagod, challenging yung magpalit ng damit. Kasi parang wala pang 5 minutes, kailangan prepare ka na. Kasi ikaw na ulit yung lala.
Kasi rarampa ka na ulit.
Yeah, so it's either makapagpalit ka or hindi ka rarampa.
Yes,
So,
yan talaga.
dahil ayaw mo naman na hindi ka ma-expose, kailangan mong maging magalingan or bilisan.
Bilisan yung gano'n.
Tapos, when it comes to like shoots naman, it's tiring din.
Yes,
But,
very.
ang pinaka natutunan, or pinaka kinikip namin sa mind namin is respect each other's time.
Yes.
Yun yung pinakamahalaga sa modeling industry. Kasi,
So, be on time.
yeah, respeto rin sa mga...
Walang Filipino time.
Wala. Bawal talaga yun. Kung 6 a.m. call time, maybe like 1 hour,
Yes.
dapat nandun ka.
Yeah.
At least 1 hour. So, but it's fun. Modeling experience is so fun, lalo na kung talagang passion mo siya.
Yeah. So, what made you decide to be a model?
Yan, bukod sa dream ko, frustration ko siya before. I want to prove myself that I'm capable of showing myself. Because I have flaws.
Yeah.
All of us have flaws. So, especially ako, obvious, nasa lips ko yung birthmark ko ngayon.
Yes.
Very hesitant ako to join modeling industry kasi it's face card.
Yeah.
Alamin na natin. Sabihin na natin, it's face card. So, kailangan wala kang marks, wala kang anything sa face mo.
Of course.
Yeah, but merong mga tao pa rin na
Na-appreciate.
yeah, na-appreciate ka, wholeheartedly na-accept ka, and they believe na you can do modeling. Or you can be on this industry. So, yun yung lalo pang nag-encourage sa akin to pursue this.
Okay. So, tell me about a challenge you faced when modeling. Challenge. I think there's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of challenges.
Like what?
Siguro personally na lang is may mga maririnig ka talaga na you're not belong there, parang hindi kayong standard. So, if may paghihinaan ka ng loob, or kahit
Or how do
ma-overwhelm
you
ka.
face that?
No, I believe in myself.
So,
Parang
wala
tanggap ko
kang
na.
pake.
Oo,
So,
tanggap.
wala kang ano.
Yeah, bago ako pumasok sa industry na to, tanggap ko lang na ako to. Walang
Ready ka na to
Yes.
face everyone.
Yes, oo. And yeah, siguro nakatulong na rin yung being professional for a long
Yes.
time. Kala mo na hindi lahat ng sinasabi is kailangan mo yes. So, I think I'm ready. I'm ready.
I like you, huh?
Mm.
So, do you have modeling agency?
As of now, yeah. Wala bang official?
Wala pang official. Pero sumasali ka sa mga agencies.
Yeah.
Pero-
Lucy,
okay.
pero wala pang official.
Okay. So, before we end this interview, and if you are interested to collab or work with Brian, please promote your socials with us.
My Facebook page is Brian Soriano. My Instagram is thatkid_Brian. And my TikTok, it's very new. So it's Bri. Bri pala. So, yeah, please follow me on my socials.
Please follow him and buy models.
Bye.
Brian would like to thank Sir Lito Callier, Sir Vladimir Estacado, Sir Michael Marhalino, and MTP Production.
This video is brought to you by Pure M Moto, motorcycle gears and accessories.
QCPC, Kazan City Photo Club.
Own Still.
Natural shots by Michael Marhalino.
Gussy Talk by Lito Calian. And Fashion Photographers of the Philippines Incorporated.